Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show how to calculate the wages uh, for the employees in various conditions. So let's start. In this video, we can see some uh, values. The overtime rate is 30, normal rate is 25, and labor hour is 8. You can add anything, any values. Okay. So for example, the name A B C D E F I J K and work hour 6 8 etc. Hour time 00. Then we have to find the wages. So let's start wages. So we have to use the function which is if function. So if equal if, then the first bracket, then we can set the logical test. So the logical is if a person work hour greater than labor hour, then you will get the money of labor hour into the normal rate, but also add the money of overtime with into the overtime rate also. And if not, then he will not get any overtime rate, he will get the normal money only. So it will that's C3 work hour into the normal rate, and then the bracket will be closed, and we have to click on enter button. Then we will get the wage, which is 150. So now if we have to freeze the main values, then the changeable value are not be fixed. So N4 is not unchangeable, it's changeable, not changeable. N4 we can see that. So we have to freeze it. Without C3 everything will be fixed. So we are fixing all. D2 will not be fixed also, but it is changeable. So we have fixed all. Sorry. So if we just click and drag here, then we can find the wages of all the employees here. So thank you.